Graders, this is Miss Kish. This is the second part of your science lesson video. Remember in the first part we watched or did an experiment about landslides where we poured water on a sand tray with no slope, a slight slope, and a steep slope. And we noticed what happened to the land when we did that. Okay, a landslide is a quick change to land caused by water. So let's take a look at this landslide. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. And this one is taking place in Idaho. We don't really have a lot of landslides near us, so it's not something we really see that much here. You'll be able to see in just a minute how strong and powerful a landslide can be. Okay, so there's one example of a landslide. I'm going to go ahead and pause and get the next one ready. Okay, here is the second video or picture that I wanted to show you of a landslide. This time the video doesn't show the landslide happening, but it shows what happened after, right? And this is a very big landslide. This is a highway. It's called Highway 1. It's in California. It's right along the coast. And then you can see right here in the middle, this is where the landslide happened. So you can see how much land slid down the side, right? You can see in the water where there's pieces of rock and dirt and soil and that are being carried away by the waves in the water, right? So let's watch a little bit. It says a massive landslide buried part of Highway 1 in California. Highway 1 is an iconic coastal road near Big Sur. Big Sur is a town in California. Part of the hillside crumbled down, and it says 1 million tons of rock and dirt tumbled onto the road, burying a portion of it under a 40-foot layer of rock and dirt. So you can see this is from maybe like a helicopter or an airplane. You can see just how big it is. This happened a couple of years ago, and the highway was closed for a long time. Just think they had to dig out, right, all of this. Sometimes it was 40 feet high to be able to get to the road, and then they probably had to do some repairs to the road too. And they also had to do some work to make sure that if things were still sliding down, the road was safe, right? So they've been doing a lot of work. It took a long time to get this open again. So second graders, these are two examples of landslides in real life.